Yes! Hey, Titus and Lee went from Dance Insanity, and today we're going to be doing some cha-cha-cha. This piece of choreography we put together has some different rhythm changes. It's really important to have those rhythm changes because
the cha-cha is not one-noted. It has a lot of different timings and variety. So you want to practice and learn this routine so that you can make your cha-cha more dynamic.
So let's get started. Footwork! We're going to do 2 swivels. Onto the right first, then swivel onto the left. Now you're going to rock back on the right foot. It's going to be a side chassé, right, close the left, side right. Now close your left foot, switch the weight back to the right foot, side chassé to the left. Left, right, left. Now Cuban breaks. So right foot across, replace side right, replace forward right, and then take a side step on your right foot. We're going to do that again on the other side. So left foot, Cuban break across, replace side left, replace cross that left foot and side left. Now it's going to be a check and a ronde. So rock step that right foot, ronde it around, rock step back on it, replace and side. Again, we're repeating that. Forward left, replace it with a ronde, rock, replace, side. We're almost done. We're going to close our right foot, step side left. Close our right foot, step side left, and then it's a spot turn. Replace the foot. It's going to go right, left, right. New Yorker check, then you're going to swivel, and then you're going to put your weight on your right and tap your left foot, and we are done. Wow, timing.
I'm going to mirror it. This is your right side. We start 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Close, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Go from the beginning.
Let me slip into something a little less comfortable because it's freezing. You got 2 slows. 2, 3, 4. And then you got regular cha-cha. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now close it. 2, 3, 4, and 1. It's time for some Cuban breaks. Let's throw those arms in the air. Yeah. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Let's grab some back. Up. 2, and 3, and 4, and ba-boom. Now, you've got regular rhythm. 2, 3, 4, and 1. We do that same rhythm again. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now it's going to be 2, 3. Repeat that. 4, 1. A little unusual. Regular spot turn. 2, 3. Juicy hip action here. And then it's like, and 2. Hold that 3. 4. Hold that 1. We're ready to begin. Huh. Let's put it all together with music.
Yes,
We did it!
You did
Yeah,
it!
yeah,
You
yeah!
did it. Yeah.
What just happened?
Sweet.
Oh my God, it was so good. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bye.